As so often happens at sea, everything was going really well. Then, around 700 miles from our destination in the British Virgin Islands, the wind just faded away. The crew was restless, so to pass the time, Marco remembered he had a sextant packed away somewhere. Not one of those beautiful brass instruments from the display case at the yacht club, but a sextant. The last time I used one of these was on a beach, with a teacher. Could we really remember how to take a sight? Or had GPS turned our brains to mush?
Mark.
We remembered the basics: accurate time, height of eye, error correction. But things have come a long way since I first learned how to do this.
54, 26.
There's a piece of software to replace the tables in the almanacs. Imagine our surprise when the sextant derived position was only 5 miles from what the plotter was telling us. Marco decided this was either beginner's luck or a false positive, so we did it again and got another good fix. We really do remember how it's done.